你好，我是 John. Hello, I'm John. Welcome to Big Bang Vocab, the fun way to expand your Chinese vocabulary. Today, let's continue to learn some weather words. 雪 third tone means snow. 下雪 verb to snow. 下 fourth tone 下雪下雪下雪外面正在下雪，路上小心。It's snowing outside. Take care on your way home. 好，再见。Okay, bye. 雾 fourth tone means fog. We often say 大雾。喂，张总，因为今天的大雾，西安所有的飞机都取消了。Hello, Manager Zhang. Because of the heavy fog today, all the flights in Xi'an are cancelled. I can't bring the sample product to you in time. 我看新闻了。没关系 I saw the news. It's fine. We can rearrange the meeting. 风 first tone means wind. We often say 刮风 or 刮大风。刮 first tone means to blow. 大风 means strong wind. 刮大风 means for the wind to blow. 刮大风，刮大风，刮大风。What happened?
John, 刮大风了。John, it's really windy. Your cactus was blown off the balcony.
打雷 means to thunder. 打 third tone means to hit or strike. 雷 second tone means thunder. 打雷，打雷，打雷。
喂，喂，喂 What's going on?
Bad signal 是因为打雷。It's because of the thundering. Now, let's look at a Chinese saying. 干打雷不下雨。干 first tone means only. 打雷 means to thunder. 不 second tone means not. 下雨 means to rain. It literally means that there's only thunder but no rain. It describes someone who cries loudly over something without tears, implying that he's all talk but no show of action.
我从现在开始要减肥。I'm starting a diet from right now.
干打雷不下雨。You've been talking about it for months. To review, today we have learned 下雪、大雾、刮风 and 打雷。Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recordings and tell me how you would describe someone who always talks the talk but never walks the walk. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn in the future. See you next time. 再见。